Hi, this is Satish here from Motofocusz. Now we have a Audi Q7 2017 model car. Basically, this is the common problem with most of the German cars. Well, you all know that the DRL complaint. DRL became yellow and half of the DRL is not working. This is because of the DRL module as well as the DRL tube. We are going to replace both DRL tube as well as the DRL module. This is generally because of the heat. The LED tends to damage the DRL tube. Eventually the LED also get damaged. Because of this, the DRL became yellow and also DRL will not be working most of the cases. So in this case, it is not recommended just to replace the module alone. You have to replace the DRL tube for the perfect finish and the perfect OE look. So come, let us go and check how we are doing, how we are removing the panels, how we are refitting it, and how it is sealed properly, and after look of the headlights.